guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great and amazing tech video. The video of today, it's all about the portable monitor. This is our portable monitor, as you can spot it. Now we're going to be unboxing it and check it out, what's inside and what's so speciality throughout this kind of portable monitor. Okay guys, here's our monitor and we're going to be unboxing it right now so as we can check it out what's so inside. So just like that, peel out these kind of stickers and there we go. So here we doing it. Yeah. There we go guys, really cool. And this is our monitor here, really bigger in size, and it have like a cover or something. Let me keep it aside first, so let it stay here. And throughout here on top, what do we have? We're having your manual in here stating portable USB monitor, and it gives you some description which you're gonna read and understand what to do. And yeah, really cool. Another stuff, you're getting a mini HDMI to HDMI, which is quite vibrant. And our last but not least, a USB-C to USB-C, which is quite impressive. So this is our bad boy. So let us just peel it and see what's in here. Whoa, they kept even the cover, so it has like a kickstand cover. Really amazing. So this is like your kickstand cover, and you keep your monitor like on this side, and it stays on your table or on your workspace, and it's really great. And we're gonna be peeling out these kind of stickers. So it has like stickers here on the sideways to remove this kind of screen protector, which they kept it on top like a screen protector which protects the screen. So by far the screen looks really good, and as you can spot it, this feels like a Surface Pro Book kind of screen. Kind of crazy, but you can see the way they align these kind of ports. You can spot it, the alignment of this port, it's really vibrant. And on this side too, there's a power button and there's a volume to control, and at the back too, there is mounting on your monitor's handle. So those kind of monitor arms, you can mount it or you can just keep it somewhere. Really cool. And on this side, it's a 2.5K screen, and it's a 16-inch, and it has 144 Hz refresh rate. So we're going to be testing it here at the studio base, and we explore it. So this is like a magnetic kind of book, so it snaps here, as you can spot it. Really cool. So it snaps really amazing. Like the magnets, they're just there, you see, really amazing. So we're gonna be connecting it here with our laptop. So as you can see guys, what's happening, I'm gonna use USB-C for connection. And yeah, we're gonna be having our third screen because I have the biggest screen and the laptop there, so it's gonna be really great. So guys, we're done setting up our monitor. It's a little bit like crazy because you have to connect a USB Type-C and a micro HDMI, which I had to do it so as it can get connected, and we're up and running. And as you can spot it on our display 3, since I have 3 displays, it has a capability of going 2560 times 1600, and you can check it out there. What's happening in here? Revert. Let's revert it back to normal. So throughout the resolution, display resolution, it clocks up to be very bigger throughout the resolution of the display, depending on what you really want. Another kind of stuff, when we go to the advanced here throughout the display, you can check out there's a refresh rate which clocks up to 144 Hz refresh rate. So when you change it, the display too changes to 144 Hz refresh rate. So guys, let's talk about the specification of the portable monitor. Well, it has a 16-inch IPS display, it has a 2.5K resolution, it has 144 Hz refresh rate, it has a 3 milliseconds response time, it has 100% of sRGB color accuracy, it has a 500 nits of brightness, it has a 16:10 aspect ratio, more vertical space, it has a wider angle with 178 angle viewing angles. I hope math is mathing. Another kind of stuff, it has a USB-C connectivity, it has a mini HDMI kind of port, and it's even ultra slim, and it's lightweight design for 2.5 kg. Red color because the monitor pushes itself up to 100% sRGB. So the color which you see is the actual color which you're gonna be seeing throughout your monitor, portable monitor. Really vibrant because it does not offset the color. It's not an AMOLED kind of display, it's just an IPS display. Now let's talk about gaming wise. This monitor is built for smooth gaming. The 144Hz refresh rate and the 3 milliseconds response time deliver fast, fluid gameplay. With reduced motion blur, the sharp 2.5K IPS display gives you clear visuals, accurate colors and wide view angles, while the 16:10 aspect ratios offers more screen space for immersive play. So guys, on the productivity wise on this kind of portable monitor, it's really impressive, and yeah, such an amazing monitor. On the form factor side, it feels really metal, like a metal, or is it aluminium or something, but the material wise it feels really premium. That's why I was comparing it with the Surface kind of book, which they have this kind of style whereby you just snap something at the back and you just use it on the go. Really cool. So this kind of monitor, it's really amazing throughout its own kind of workflows, and I really kind of recommend it. This is not like a branded kind of wise like Asus or Lenovo or a certain brand. This is a China-based kind of portable monitor. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about the portable monitor? Do you prefer a portable monitor on your workflow or on the go throughout your working and stuff like that? It's really vibrant. And something which I like about this kind of monitor, the cover wise, it's really premium, really top notch. The only downside, I'm scared a little bit if you use it for quite long, you might be losing it and stuff like that. So you have to consider having a kickstand. That's the downside of this monitor. It does not have a kickstand until it uses the leather kind of stuff. So I believe that if you just do some DIY, you can just come up with something. And yeah, so that's what's up guys. Hope you enjoyed this kind of video today, and up on the next one, I'll be catching you guys on the next tech video. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.